Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I want to show you how to manage your passwords on your iPhone 60 Pro Max. To manage our passwords, we need to open our passwords application. Now we must enter our lock screen to get connected to that, and there we have all passwords which our smartphone remember, maybe to our Wi-Fi account. To manage it, we click on it, and there we have our from which network name of our Wi-Fi password, and there we have our Wi-Fi password. We can click it to see that. You can also forget this password by forget and confirm, or share to someone by this icon. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.